Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on Laybuy. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Laybuy application on your device and you will see the sign up as well as the login button. Tap on sign up to create a new account and you will be asked to enter your email address. Just type in your preferred email address and then enter your desired password for your account. Type in your desired password once again for confirmation and then tap on continue. You will then be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to your email. Just check your inbox and you will find this code that you can enter within the next screen. And now your account will be created and you will be allowed to create your profile. After finalizing your profile, you will be logged in to your newly created account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on the Laybuy application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.